What's the meaning of around? Around. Around.
Around. Around. Around can be used as a preposition or an adverb. As a preposition, it means, in the vicinity of, or approximately. For example, the restaurant is around the corner, or, there were around 100 people at the party. As an adverb, it means, approximately, or, more or less. For example, the project will take around 2 weeks to complete, or, the temperature is around 20 degrees Celsius. In general, the term around is used to express an estimated or rough amount or a position in relation to something else without being exact.